Okay, question 7 is all about trial and improvement. It says the equation is x cubed plus 10x equals 23 and it has a solution between 1 and 2. Use trial and improvement method to find the solution. Give your answer correct to one decimal place and you must show all of your working out. So it's no good to just put the answer. I've set this out here because I think this is the easiest way to do it. You have it in a table, trial, working out and comment. Let's try, now it says there's an answer between 1 and 2, so let's try right in the middle, x equals 1.5. Now put the working out, that will be 1.5 cubed, because it's x cubed, plus 10 times 1.5, because 10x means 10 times x. And then we'll get the answer. Let's just try it on the calculator. We've got 1.5 and the cube button is here, plus 10 times 1.5, press equals. We have it in fraction form, so I'll press the SD button to convert it to decimal form. We'll get 18.375. 18.375. Have a look what we need. We need 23. So 18.375 is too small. So we need something a little bit bigger. It's quite far away from 23, so rather than go to 1.6, I will go to 1.7. X equals 1.7. So that's 1.7 cubed plus 10 times 1.7. Now rather than cancel everything, I'm just going to use the replay button. So press the replay backwards on there and delete once, change that to 7. The 1.5 goes to 1.7. Let's keep going back and change that 5 to a 7. So we've got 1.7 cubed plus 10 times 1.7. Press equals and we get 21.913. 21.913, which is still too small. Now what we need is we need to one decimal place one which is just too small and one which is just too big. Otherwise you're not sure which one will be closer. So let's try x equals 1.8, which becomes 1.8 cubed plus 10 times 1.8. On the calculator I'll use the replay button again. Change the 7 to 8. Go back again and change that 7 to 8. And the fraction there, I'll press the SD button to convert it to decimals. We get 23.832. 23.832, which is too big. Now, we have 1.7 which is too small and 1.8 which is too big. So one of those is the answer, because it says give the answer to one decimal place. So there's a few ways of doing this, but the easiest way and the best way is to find the middle of those two. So we know those are the answer, so let's go in between 1.7 and 1.8. So that becomes x equals 1.75, which is 1.75 cubed plus 10 times 1.75, and get the answer. So once again on the calculator, I'll just put it in right from the start. 1.75 cubed plus 10 times 1.75. Press equals and convert the fraction by pressing the SD button. We've got 22.85 and so on. That's all I need. Now 22.85 is too small. Okay, there is a few ways to get the answer, realising which one is the answer, but the easiest way to think, if the middle one is too small, the bigger one is the closest. If the middle one was too big, the smaller answer is the closest. So 22.85 is too small, so the bigger one is closer. So x equals 1.8 to 1dp. 1.8 to 1 dp, and that is the answer.